Aloha, everybody.
We're not in Hawaii anymore, Jose.
No anymore?
We have changed locations.
Yeah, it's true.
So first of all, who are we?
Jose and
Z. And where in the world have we landed, Jose?
wow,
Far away.
far away. We are Michigan.
We are in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and that is where we have decided to set our roots
Yep.
after leaving Hawaii. And we are very excited. So this video is going to be about the 6 reasons we made the decision to move here. We want to first say, though, if you are a farmer, if you are a homesteader, if you are in the UP, subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
We are going to have some great videos coming up. Today is the 6 reasons we moved to the UP. You're going to want to stay tuned for number 6 because it's the most exciting and we can't wait to share. Shh, don't tell them. Okay, so Jose, what is reason number 1?
Number 1 is water and space.
Water and space. Part of the reason we had decided to move to Hawaii was because we were close to the ocean and water, and there was a lot of open space and outdoor activities and things to do. And Michigan is going to give us that exact same feel. So what are some of the things you're excited to be able to do up here?
Wow. Porque yo puedo hacer muchas cosas. Yo puedo pescar,
Fishing,
cacería,
hunting,
y
kayaking, walking, or hiking.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of things. Gardening, that's the thing I'm most excited about.
tú puedes ver 4 estaciones, 4 seasons.
Yeah, we're actually going to have 4 seasons. And that's what's very different than Hawaii, is we are going to have that one season that's very long up here, and that is winter.
Yeah, so no es una decisión difícil, pero it is what it is.
Yeah, it wasn't necessarily a hard decision, but it is what it is, and we're just going to have to face winter as it comes. I'm not really a cold weather person, but some of the trade-offs we had to make and some of the reasons we moved here are, I think, going to make up for that. All right, so what is reason number 2?
Number 2 is costa de vivir, cost of living.
The cost of living. It is a lot cheaper up here than in Hawaii. And I'm sad to bring that up, but we were spending on groceries over $200 a week for 2 people.
Wow.
We've been here just over a week and we haven't even spent $100 yet for groceries for ourselves. And I'm very excited that cost, because that's a lot. When you're talking groceries, that's a lot of our monthly budget.
But here
it is not. It's going to be much more within the budget.
Yep.
Okay, so number 2 is the cost of living. Jose, what is number 3?
The number 3 is community.
Community. What is the one thing that happens every time you drive by somebody up here, Jose? They wave at you. I love it.
Yeah.
I love how people just genuinely care about each other up here. The neighbors wave at you. It's so refreshing to be somewhere.
Very friendly, very familiar.
Yes, yes, very familiar. I really like that. I'm excited about it. Everybody, if you talk about anything, they say, oh, so-and-so down the road, they can help you with that. Or so-and-so down the lane has exactly the tool you need and they will help you out. What an incredible place to live, where the community kind of rallies around and supports each other and works together.
Yes,
I really like that.
I love it.
I'm very excited. Okay, so number 3 is community. Number 4 is a little scary for Jose. Go ahead. What is number 4?
Number 4 is
family. Jose is going to be living around a lot of my family.
Es mi familia también.
Oh, that's true. It's now your family. So I guess he can't be too upset that he's going to be living around family. I have uncles and aunts and cousins and second cousins and third cousins and my parents. There are a lot of family members here.
Muchos regalos for Christmas.
Jose's already thinking about his gifts for Christmas. I'll leave it to Jose. No, we're very excited to be close to family and be involved in the lives of family. I moved away from family when I was very young. Jose is far from his family. And so it's going to be nice to be close to family and people that we care about and love.
Yeah, y ellos pueden enseñarnos muchas cosas.
Yeah, they can teach us a lot. My uncles have a lot of knowledge. My aunts have a lot of knowledge, and I'm really looking forward to tapping into that. And they don't know it yet. Well, they will after this video, that they are going to be helping us out in the future a lot. I hope. Okay, we will bring beer and coffee and food. We'll work for coffee. Okay, so that is number 4 is family. Jose, what is number 5?
Number 5 is do it yourself.
Yes, there's a very positive do-it-yourself attitude here, which I love. People do their own canning, their own woodworking. They build their own homes or their buildings on their property. They do their own gardens. Like, we have had so much food brought to us since we've been here, because of course we're at the end of gardening season. I've had to make soups and salads, and we've been using so many fresh vegetables that people have been bringing to us. I'm in love. I'm in love with the do-it-yourself. I want to learn how to can. I want to learn how to work wood. There are so many things I want to learn how to do. And
so many things coming.
There's a lot of things coming. I'm very excited. You're going to want to stay tuned and watch our videos, because we're going to be doing a lot of things.
And funny things, too.
Funny things. Well, we're going to try not to do too many strange and funny things.
Ooh.
Scary. Okay, Jose. Number 6. I am so excited about number 6. Okay, so we got drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. What is number 6?
Farm.
There's a lot of land up here in the UP. Now, I wouldn't say it's cheap, because right now there is a run on property. I think with COVID and some other things going on, people are bailing out of the city and wanting to move somewhere more rural.
Yeah.
So a lot of everything we were looking at up here, contingent, under contract, pending.
It's very hard.
It was hard to find some property. But I'm going to tell you right now, we got here. We went and looked at the first piece of property that we've been looking at for like a month. And we made an offer within 2 days of being here. The offer was accepted a day later. And we close next Friday. So we are going to have our own piece of property to homestead on. And we are so excited. We're not going to tell you anything about it yet. You're going to have to wait for the next video. Yeah, because we want to take you out there and show you and get excited with you and share that with you.
Yeah. ¿Tú estás muy emocionada?
I'm so excited.
No más.
You're so
Okay,
mean.
un poquito más.
I'm so excited. That's the only words I know from that song. Okay, so we're excited. We are now officially in the UP. Been here just under... or just over a week, and we will have our own property in 2 weeks, which we will be shooting some video and sharing with you and talking about all the things. There's so many things we have to do because the house needs a little bit of work, but we're going to share that with you. All right, who are we?
Jose and
Z. And if you are an urban farmer, a homesteader, you live in the UP, please subscribe to our channel. We are going to have a lot to share with you. We are going to have a lot of fun building our farm and showing you what we're doing. And so we have a lot to learn. We have a lot to share.
Yeah, mucho.
Yeah, so we're super excited.
Yeah, subscribe y dejar los comentarios abajo.
Yeah, give us some comments. We want to know about your journey. We want to know about, if you live in the UP, what it is that you're doing. Are you farming? Are you homesteading?
Yep.
Tell us.
Please.
All right. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you.